So let's talk about Archer Aviation's nothing too exciting on the weekly chart. Price action has been very range bound. However, they did make recent news. Archer Aviation did receive its Part 141 certification from the FAA. The company now can officially launch its pilot training program. Now, before we look at some levels of interest, let's actually get into the news. So Archer Aviation, which develops eVTOL aircrafts, announced today that it received an important certification from the FAA. The FAA granted Archer its Part 144 certification, formally recognizing and regulating the company's flight school, allowing it to officially launch its pilot training program. This is the third of 4 certifications required by the FAA to operate its commercial air taxi service, the central goal of the company. So they're one step closer to becoming commercialized. The certification is a major leap forward in the company's journey, and it means that it is now much closer to a full commercial launch. Launching the pilot training program will allow the company to handle a cadre of trained pilots at the ready when the Archer receives the final green light from the FAA. Certification also means that Archer is catching up to rival Joby Aviation, which has had a slight lead in development up to this point, receiving its Part 141 in December. Whoever is first to market is likely to enjoy an advantage over the other. Archer still has some regulatory hurdles to clear, but the company expects to receive full clearance by the end of 2025. The real challenge will be proving the economics of the air taxi service work in the real world and scaling manufacturing, a capital-intensive task, while properly managing its balance sheet. All right, so if you enjoy high reward, high risk type setups, type trades, type fundamentals, then Archer Aviation is a company and a stock that's right up your alley. Now, if we look at the monthly chart, this is nothing but a big old W pattern. And so typically prices retrace to the apex of the W. And so anything at or below $7 would be a major buy. Going to the weekly chart, below 7 you have several levels of interest. You have a weekly buy level, you have a daily buy level, 2 daily buy levels. So 4, 5, and 6. Again, anything below 7, the chart is suggesting price is trading at a discount. Now, this is the daily chart. Again, price has been sideways going back to November of last year. But let's see what happens over the coming weeks. Let's see if we get a breakout to the downside, which would be a bear trap because you're going to have buyers stepping in again below $7. Let me know what you think about Archer Aviation. Is it a buy, hold, or sell? Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.